The Gann Box is a timing and structure tool, not a signal generator. It is used to frame how price and time interact rather than to predict where the market should go. When applied correctly, it provides a visual reference for balance, rhythm, and proportion. Gann boxes are anchored to meaningful price legs, such as swing lows to swing highs, or the reverse. The range should represent a decisive phase in price behavior, not a minor fluctuation. Once placed, the box divides both price and time into equal segments, allowing symmetry to become visible. Within the box, the horizontal divisions act as proportion markers rather than traditional support or resistance. Reactions near these levels suggest the market is respecting internal balance. Clean movement through them often signals expansion rather than failure, which is why the Gann box works best when read alongside structure. The vertical divisions add a time dimension that is often overlooked. As price approaches a vertical boundary, the focus is not on reversal, but on whether behavior changes. Shifts in volatility, consolidation, or acceleration around these points often matter more than the level itself. Used as a contextual filter, the midpoint of the box is especially informative. Holding above it generally reflects constructive conditions, while extended time below it suggests weakening structure. This helps avoid overreacting to pullbacks or chasing late moves. The Gann box pairs well with tools that define bias, such as trend lines, moving averages, or anchored volume references. When multiple forms of structure align near a division, the area deserves attention, not prediction. Used properly, the Gann box does not tell you what to trade. It clarifies where price sits within a broader price-time cycle. The value is not precision. The value is context.